This video will guide you through unlocking the Windows key on your HyperX keyboard. The Windows key is commonly locked in game mode to prevent accidental interruptions during gaming sessions. You'll want to unlock it for general computer use, like multitasking or accessing shortcuts. The process is simple and quick. Game mode on HyperX keyboards is a feature that disables the Windows key to avoid accidental presses during gaming sessions. When active, it prevents the Start menu from popping up mid-game, keeping your focus on gameplay. An LED indicator usually lights up to show that game mode is active. The most common method to unlock the Windows key on HyperX keyboards is to press the Fen key and the Windows key simultaneously. This toggles game mode on and off. This toggle is the standard for many HyperX models. To confirm the change, look for an LED indicator that lights up or changes when game mode is activated or deactivated. This is the most common way to unlock the Windows key on HyperX keyboards. For keyboards that support software control, use the HyperX Ingenuity app to unlock the Windows key. First, download and open the HyperX Ingenuity application on your computer. The app interface shows your connected devices. Select your keyboard section. Navigate to the Key Assignment section within the keyboard settings. Find the Windows key option, which shows as disabled in game mode. Change it to enabled. This method also lets you customize other keys with macros or shortcuts for enhanced functionality. If your HyperX keyboard has a physical switch for game mode, this is the fastest way to unlock the Windows key. Locate the switch, usually on the side or back of the keyboard. Toggle it to the unlocked position to disable game mode and restore the Windows key functionality. If your Windows key remains locked, first ensure the keyboard is properly connected and recognized by your computer. Restart your computer to refresh system settings and resolve any temporary issues. If using Ingenuity software, ensure it's updated to the latest version for proper key unlocking functionality. Visit HyperX's support website for model-specific instructions and additional troubleshooting resources. To verify the Windows key is unlocked, press the Windows key on your keyboard. The Start menu should appear, confirming the key is functioning. Next, test Windows key shortcuts like Win-D to show the desktop. This ensures full functionality is restored. In conclusion, we've covered 3 main ways to unlock your Windows key on HyperX keyboards: using the FN plus Windows key combination, the HyperX Ingenuity software, or a hardware switch on compatible models. With your Windows key unlocked, you can enjoy efficient multitasking, quick access to system shortcuts, and seamless general computer use. Now that your Windows key is unlocked, take the time to explore other HyperX keyboard features and customizations through the Ingenuity software.